everybody. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of this Python beginner course. So who is this course for? This course is for people who are complete newbies in Python or people who are coming from other languages. Or for those people who want to learn machine learning but don't know Python. First, we are going to install and set up Python. Then we will learn about environment selection. Then we will learn about Jupyter Notebook system. Next, we are going to learn about object and data structures, including numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, files, sets, and booleans. Then we are going to learn about comparison operators, including basic operators and chained operators. After that, we will learn about Python statements like if, elif, else, while loops, for loops, list comprehension, and range function. Then we are going to learn about methods and functions in Python, including methods, functions, lambda expression, nested statement, and scope. Next, we are going to learn about object-oriented programming, including objects, methods, classes, and inheritance. After that, we will learn about errors and exception handling in Python, including what is errors and exception and how to deal with them using except, try, and finally. Then we will move to more advanced topics such as modules and packages, including creating modules and how to install them. Then we will learn about built-in functions in Python such as map, reduce, filter, zip, and enumerate. And then we will learn about Python generators, including iteration versus generation and creating generators in Python. And finally, there will be a bonus, but it's a secret. Also, if you want to support my YouTube channel, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos.